How to transfer crypto from Binance to ByBit. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to transfer crypto from Binance to ByBit. So in that case, you have to first of all go and log in into your Binance application. When you're logged in, then you need to go ahead and select transfer button located right at the bottom, or you could just go ahead and select the asset that you wish to transfer. So if you wish to go ahead and transfer the Bitcoin or the asset, then click the buy button. Then on this page, you could go ahead and make changes with the setting, that is whether you want to transfer or buy. So all you have to do is just go ahead and select the asset that you wish to transfer to the ByBit. And when you've actually selected the asset, then it's going to take you to the field where you have to go ahead and enter the wallet address. So as per the wallet address, what you can do is you could just go ahead and open up your ByBit application. And when you open up your ByBit application, when you actually go ahead and select the receive button or the deposit button, then what next you have to do is you just have to go ahead and select the asset that you're receiving, and you need to go ahead and copy the wallet address that is being provided. Next thing, you need to exit out of your ByBit and then go and log in into your Binance application. Enter the exact amount based on the wallet address that you recently copied, and you'll have successfully transferred crypto from Binance to ByBit. So in this way, you can transfer crypto from Binance to ByBit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.